The nation pays homage to the unifier of modern India, Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, on his 147th birth anniversary today. The day is also celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi presided over the Rashtriya Ekta Divas parade at the Statue of Unity at Kevadia in Gujarat today. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, MP Sonia Gandhi and other senior leaders paid tribute to former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi at Shakti Sthal on her death anniversary today. In a major boost to air connectivity in the region, 3 flights connecting 5 cities of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur and Mizoram has been inaugurated by Union Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia. The 4-day-long Chhath Puja celebrations concluded in this morning following oblations to the rising sun in different parts of the country including Bihar, UP and Delhi.